say, Madonna and I are cracking ourselves up laughing here. We're going to play a nice little Christmas song just before Madonna heads off shortly, which is a bit controversial.
It is.
Well, you were telling me the story. Tell everybody what you just told me.
I was in the States, and that song "Baby It's Cold Outside" by Bublé has been taken off the airwaves. No one's playing it because the Me Too people have jumped up and down and said, no, it's not on for Christmas.
Oh, we've turned into
I think it's a beautiful, gorgeous little, it's a sweet little song.
I think you know, we really do. You know what stresses me out?
Yes.
We're talking about stress.
Yes.
Stresses me out these people that get too politically correct.
Yeah.
You know, like everything, all these songs we used to sing back in the day as kids. But you know,
that raises the shoulders and gets the chest breathing going, doesn't it? Stops the belly breathing.
I bet you from New Leaf Natural Therapies could help someone out.
Oh, bet we could.
Come on.
Give
us a spiel.
Okay. So I'm going to go through a couple of my favourite stress products. You know, just things that I really, really love. So there's lots of herbs that are really fantastic. And there's a particular one called Withania. It's got Withania and ginseng in. And the combination of those helps with both short-term stress and long-term stress. Now, Withania is Indian ginseng. Indian ginseng helps to regenerate the adrenal glands.
Oh, we were just talking about that.
We were.
Yeah.
And Withania also has an overriding effect on the immune system. What happens when we get stressed? We get sick.
Yeah.
So when people take things like Withania and ginseng long term, so there's both MediHerb products, there's Metagenics products, there's lots of things with these things in them. But if you get good ones that you just take, it just helps to calm the farm.
Yeah, calm the farm.
Calm the farm.
Love it. Calm the farm.
Then I've got my AND products. So ones that help things like Resilient, Relax and Stress. And what they do is help you not want to kill people. So, you know, there's sort of different levels of stress. So, you know, when you get to that area where you just want to wring someone's neck, which is a terrible way to say it, the Chinese call it excess qi. So let's excess qi. It's when that anger is building up inside and it doesn't have a voice. It doesn't have a way out. So what do you do with it?
Build it up. And
it
builds up.
Then it just, someone has to cop it at some stage. So things like these products, they help to calm down. And funnily enough, they're about combinations of, say, 10, 12, 14 Chinese herbs. But they do a bit of everything. Yeah. They increase your serotonin, they boost your dopamine, they calm your cortisol, they balance your estrogen, progesterone, they help to boost your natural adrenal, hormones. So, you know, they do a whole bunch of stuff, which is why I love them so much. But Resilience for when you feel like bursting into tears all day, every day. Relaxant's more for when you're just irritable and cranky and no one can do the right thing. But Stressant's when you're, you know, that next level along. Yeah. So we call them our ANDs. You know, we love them and they're just really quite fantastic. So they're another couple of things. But then from the therapy perspective, you know, like the Chini sang, the abdominal massage. I had a lady a few years ago and she came to me for long-term gut issues. And when I can't remember whether who she had the Chini sang with, whether it was Shelby or Rob or whoever. But after her first Chini sang, she felt her brain starting to work better. Oh, right. So she had more energy. She felt more like herself. Now, there's that huge gut-brain connection these days. Yeah. So they talk about the fact that the Chinese is that they talk about the first brain being in the gut, you know, so if that gut isn't working well, nothing else is going to work. Yeah,
everything's very, very tightly connected to each other. Like, all your organs, everything works in this, it wants to work in this autonomous state, but because of our lives, it doesn't work most of the time.
And then when we're tense, we're tight. Yeah. And if we're tight, we don't have good blood supply, nerve supply, lymph supply, everything to all the major organs. So you can imagine an hour on your abdomen, that's getting into in underneath the rib bones, so you're getting into the liver and gallbladder, you're getting into the pancreas and the spleen. Yeah. Obviously, you're doing the abdominal, the bowel, but then you're also going to be improving blood supply to the prostate, the uterus, the ovaries, you know, so it's a lot, as well as the nerves in the lower back.
Yeah. Okay.
So people with chronic lower back pain, sometimes the Chini Sen going in from the abdomen, and I've been doing massage 25 years, but there's a big difference between going in and doing 5 minutes on, you know, like to try to loosen up that pelvic girdle than it is to actually spend an hour in there and really start to break down congestion and move things along. It's quite a different thing. And it's designed to be different. It's not meant to be the same thing. So that's something, bizarrely enough, it can help to break down that scar tissue, like underneath the rib cage, stopping that diaphragm from, stopping us from breathing well. So it can really help stress-wise as well, long term.
Yeah.
So
you guys at New Leaf Natural Therapies obviously can help people with
lots of things.
So if someone wanted to come and have a chat with you guys, where would they find you?
At 94 Edith Street in Wynnum, so between the Vinnies and the post office.
Fantastic. So if anyone's dealing with any stress, especially this time of the year, everybody deals with some sort of stress, head on down and see Madonna and the guys there at New Leaf Natural Therapies. The address is?
94 Edith Street, Wynnum.
94 Edith Street, Wynnum, and I'm sure she'll be able to help you out. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah, nice chatting.
Are you going to come back and see me again?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. I'm going to have some more music for you anyway. But right now, I'm going to have some more music next time you come and visit, but right now I'm going to play that one and only song.
Controversial song.
Michael Bublé, Baby It's Cold Outside. This is BFM 100.3. Right, sorry.